What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you. I feel like it has been such a long minute, so I'm really excited. I'm going to be showing you two DIY Christmas recipes, one from my shop and one from V-Money Slime, so I am really excited. If you're excited as well, don't forget to give this video a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. I haven't said that in such a long time. It has also been a hot minute for Unicorn Fam shoutouts, so here are the Unicorn Fam shoutouts for today, giving y'all a little bit of extra loving. If you would like Unicorn Fam shout out, all you have to do is comment down below using hashtag Unicorn Fam. Make sure that you are subscribed, and then also make sure that you hit the bell notification icon. That way you can get bell notifications every single time I upload. I'm just excited because Christmas is legit 2 days away, so let's get it on and poppin' and let's get started, shall we? Okay, so the first slime I'm going to show you how to recreate is Santa's Crumbing to Town by V-Money Slimes, my girl. So you're going to want to go ahead and start off in a glass bowl. That is just what I prefer to use when making slime. And then I'm going to go ahead and dump in some Elmer School Glue and add in some Snickerdoodle scent because that is the exact scent that V-Money Slimes uses, so we're using that today. I'm also going to go ahead and start off with my food coloring, adding in just 3 drops of yellow and mixing that together just to see what kind of color it gives me. Next, I'm going to add 4 pumps of lotion. I just forgot to add it in earlier, so I'm doing it now. And then I'm going to add in a little squeeze of this brown acrylic paint here and mixing that together. Now the color of the slime looks really dull right now and super cool tone, so I'm going to go in with 15 drops of yellow food coloring. You can also add orange or red, just depending on how warm toned you want this color to be, and then I'm going to mix that together. As you can see, it was a little bit more on the mustard side, so I added a little bit more brown, and it was perfect. I feel so stressed out, and I get anxiety attacks when I have to make brown slimes, just because it varies. It takes a lot of work to make a really good brown type of colored slime, just because there are so many different shades, and you can mess up really fast. So I get anxiety attacks, but I think this was fine. So once you're happy with the color, just go ahead and activate the slime. I'm using a regular borax activator, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix that until it starts to form a slime. However, we are not going to fully activate this. We want this to be a little bit sticky because we're actually going to be adding in some plastic snow. So making sure to leave your slime a little bit tacky, this is what it's going to basically look like. It is going to be a little bit sticky, but you need it to stick and just have a little bit of tack so that all of the snow can stay in, because we're going to add a bunch of it, honey. Okay, so we're going to do that now. I'm adding in the snow, just like that. Movie magic, I know. You're actually going to see me add snow a couple of times. I like to add a lot of snow to my snow fizz slimes. However, I was actually basing this one. I was trying to get as close as possible to V-Money Slimes, Santa's Crumbing to Town. So I added in a bunch because hers is super, super thick and crunchy, girl. So I had to make mine thick and crunchy too, you know what I'm saying? So I added in a bunch of snow. And this is what it looks like when you are done. It is thick, crunchy, looks like oatmeal cookie batter or even peanut butter cookies. It just looks so good and I want to eat it. This legit made the perfect amount, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this in an 8-ounce container here just to give you all the full effect and really make it look like it came from my girl V Money Slimes. So put it in the container, looks like that, and we're going to top it off with glitter. We ain't done yet, boys. So she usually uses brown and I believe gold glitter. I did not have any brown, so I went with like this orange burgundy color and gold. So, you know, it looks really cute and I loved it. I love this slime. It's a snatch. You should definitely snatch from her shop if she brings it back. The next slime I'm going to show you how to recreate is actually a slime from my shop. This is my snow globe slime and I really love it, so let's get into it. I'm going to start off with the same glass bowl, but we're going to add in some clear glue. Add a little bit more than I did. I would say add in 2 full bottles of clear glue. I added in 1.5, which would be 8 ounces of slime, but I totally forgot that these snow globes hold more than 8 ounces. So add in about 11.5 ounces of glue. You'll be good, I promise. So I'm gonna also add in some blue food coloring. This is neon blue, but I'm gonna add a very tiny amount. You see that little dot right there? That's all you need, because we still want this to be very transparent and we want to see the stuff that we're gonna be adding into the snow globe as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that and make sure it is the perfect color, which it was. And then we're gonna go ahead and proceed to the next step, which is adding in the glitter. The glitter, y'all, is so pretty. It's a teal holographic glitter and I just love it so much. I use it wherever I can, honestly, because I love it. I just added in a little bit because, like I said, we don't want to make this a full glitter slime, because then you're not going to be able to see the inside of like the charms and stuff like that. So go ahead and mix that. This is super easy, and once it's all combined, I'm going to go ahead and activate it just using a regular activator. I didn't even bother using a weak activator because you actually want this to be a little bit stiff. That way when you put it in the container, it will melt and it will just be perfect for you. It won't actually be melted and stuff like that, you know what I mean? You want this to be a thick sister after she clears, so make sure you over activate it just a tad. So the snow globe containers that I'm using, I actually got at Michael's for, I believe it was $7. Yeah, $7 it says right there, which is a little bit pricey for a container, but it's all about the effect and the illusion of a snow globe, you know what I'm saying? And best believe I used that coupon, so I got some deals. And the last time that I actually bought a whole pack of these at Michael's, they were actually on sale. Right now, if you go to Michael's, I'm pretty sure it's still going to be on sale because Christmas is legit in 2 days and it's going to be over soon. So, just saying. I just went ahead and I put the slime inside the snow globe. As you can see here, that was 8 ounces of slime. So, it holds like 11.5 ounces. And then, voila. This is what it looks like thanks to movie magic and the power of editing, I had one already ready. So I love being prepared. We love a preparation, you know? I just really love this slime. It makes like the perfect gift for somebody who loves to do like slime Instagram videos. It's perfect for the winter time. You can totally switch it up too. If you don't celebrate Christmas, you can add in like whatever type of charms you want. You could just make it like a winter wonderland, anything like that, because everybody celebrates winter, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of a thing with Mother Nature. So yeah, that is basically this slime. I love it a lot, and it's really thick and just gorgeous. I love it. It looks so much better in person. It's a snatch. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know what other shops have your favorite Christmas slime. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate, then I hope you have a happy holiday, whatever that may be. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!